Welcome back to Improve Autos. If you want to make an entrance, there is no SUV on the American road that commands respect quite like the GMC Yukon Denali. For 2026, GMC hasn't just updated a car, they've redefined what a luxury three-row SUV should be. The Denali is for the boss who wants world-class luxury with a sophisticated professional edge. With a massive new interior overhaul and tech that practically drives the car for you, the 2026 Denali is aiming for the top spot. Let's see if this heavy hitter is worth the six-figure price tag. Exterior. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 GMC Yukon Denali is that massive signature chrome grille, but look closer. For 2026, the Denali Ultimate trim features Vader chrome accents and stunning 24-inch after-midnight metallic wheels that give it a truly intimidating stance. The LED lighting is now animated, performing a light show every time you walk up to the vehicle. It's longer, taller, and more aerodynamic than ever, featuring a hands-free power liftgate that projects the GMC logo onto the ground. It's big, it's bold, and it screams luxury from a mile away. Interior. Step inside and your jaw will drop. The centerpiece is the new 16.8-inch vertical touchscreen. It's massive, lightning fast, and controls everything from your climate to your navigation. You get authentic open-pore wood trim and full-grain leather that feels like it's from a Bentley. But the real luxury is in the seats. We're talking 16-way power-adjustable front seats with massage and executive second-row captain's chairs that also feature heating, ventilation, and their own 8-inch climate screen. Top it off with a 22-speaker Bose Performance Series sound system, and you have a rolling concert hall. Performance. Under the hood, the Denali stays true to its roots with the legendary 6.2-liter V8 engine pumping out 420 horsepower. But for the road trip kings, there's the 3-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel, which offers a massive 495 pound-feet of torque and incredible fuel range. The ride is buttery smooth thanks to the Air Ride adaptive suspension and magnetic ride control. It literally scans the road 1,000 times a second to eliminate bumps. And the best part? Super Cruise. You can drive hands-free on over 400,000 miles of highway in the US and Canada, while the car handles the steering, braking, and lane changes. 2026 Denali pricing and market value. Luxury on this scale isn't cheap. The standard 2026 GMC Yukon Denali starts at approximately $83,195 USD. If you want the pinnacle of luxury, the Denali Ultimate begins at $105,195 USD. If you go for the extended Yukon XL with all the bells and whistles, you can easily cross the $120,000 mark. While that's a lot of money, it's still significantly more affordable than a Cadillac Escalade while offering 95% of the same luxury and technology. So, would you take this Denali over a Cadillac Escalade or a Lincoln Navigator? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Improve Autos for more.